Horizon fades in silver light, day dissolves into night. No sudden change, just a gentle slide. I stand where the air feels wide, between the last glow and the first shadow. A distant pulse begins, low and patient, like a heart remembering how to slow. The bass hums under everything, not loud, not urgent, just certain. I let it repeat until it feels like breathing, until it feels like home. The sky turns deeper blue, lights appear one by one, reflections in quiet windows mirroring the sun. The rhythm moves in circles, soft at first, almost hidden in the dust. My steps fall into place without instruction, without design. Each loop smooths the edges of what I was thinking, of what I was holding. Electric tones shimmer faintly like wires in the distance, carrying signals through the dark. The groove grows clearer, still calm, still composed. Fit it on, I feel it in my chest, in my shoulders, in the space behind my eyes. Energy gathers slowly, layer by layer, never rushing, never loud. The bass deepens, warm and round, holding the structure of the sound. I don't wait for a drop, I live inside the rise. The beauty is in the tension before it flies. Lights stretch into patterns, the room begins to sway. The night opens wider, inviting me to stay. The rhythm tightens gently, gains a sharper line, but the calm remains rooted deep inside. Electric current flows through air and skin, not right, just focused. I move with intention, without force. The sound becomes direction, the groove becomes course. The beat stands taller now, clear and bright. Power without chaos, energy with light. Electrician reinforces what the silence knew. Stillness and motion are never two. The peak arrives softly, not crashing, not breaking, just expanding. I feel centered,